Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Today let's make 10 adorable Christmas cookies from just one cookie dough. To make the cookie dough, first add soft butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and mix until well combined. And next, add all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and salt. And again, mix until well combined. At the very end, scrape off the side and the bottom of the bowl and also the paddle attachment to ensure that you didn't miss any flour or butter. And this is already done. We're gonna use this dough to make 10 cookies. So first, let's work on the piped cookie dough. So it's not impossible to pipe the base cookie dough, but it's a little bit too firm. So we're gonna add whole milk just to make it a little bit softer. And take about 2/3 from there to pipe teddy bears. Take a little bit of the base dough again and add red curling to make the Santa hat. And today I used mini chocolate chips for the eyes and regular size chocolate chip for the nose. As an option, draw his mouth with a toothpick using black curling. To make the Christmas wreath cookies, add green curling, and today I also added brown curling to make a little bit more warmer green and pipe circles. Attach any sprinkles you like as option. Next, let's make gingerbread cookie dough. So take 100 grams of the base dough and add all the spices, all-purpose flour, and molasses. Mix them really well. To make Christmas stollen cookies, first toast nuts. This is very important, otherwise the nuts feel too chewy in the cookies. Add dry cranberries and dice them all together. And add it to about 1/3 of the gingerbread dough. Mix until combined and shape it to make it look like stollen. Stollen is a very traditional Christmas bread, and I thought it'd be fun to make the cookie version. Chill it in the freezer completely and attach grounded sugar and powdered sugar on top. Roll out the remaining gingerbread dough. And cut it with a small square cookie cutter. Later, I'm going to tie the cookies with ribbons to make them look like present boxes. You can also add some patterns on the surface using cookie cutters. And cut the rest of the dough with a small star cookie cutter. You can collect the remaining dough and repeat the process. As option, make some patterns using a knife and attach dry cranberries. And the rest of the cookies are all from the remaining base dough. To make the chocolate chip cookies, press the dough to make it flat and attach mini chocolate chips. For snowball cookies, I like to form balls in different sizes so that hopefully I can use the small ones to fill the gaps in a cookie box. To make the jam cookies, roll out some of the base dough and cut it with a circle cookie cutter. And cut out half of them with a tiny star cookie cutter. And roll out some of the dough into a thicker rectangle. And cut it into a classic shortbread bird shape. And poke the surface with the fork. And the last one is Christmas tree cookies. Color the remaining base dough with green and brown colorings again. Roll it out and cut it out with a Christmas tree cookie cutter. And if you have gingerbread dough left, you can use it as the trunk. Attach your favorite sprinkles. Finally, bake them at preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the oven and the size of the cookies. And while you are baking the teddy bear Santas, cut the surface of marshmallows to get some stripes and attach them on cookies as soon as they are out of the oven so that they can melt. I recommend baking small cookies and bigger cookies separately so that you can avoid over baking or under baking some of the cookies. And this is optional, but today I melted some white chocolate and cut it on the Christmas tree cookies. And I also used dark chocolate to coat shortbread cookies. To finish the jam cookies, dust some powdered sugar on the half and squeeze some jam on the other half and sandwich the jam. And coat powdered sugar all over the cookies to finish the snowball cookies. One batch of the recipe makes this much cookies. You can make a half batch, 2 batches, or triple batches as you like. Share the very jolly Christmas cookies in a cookie box, in a bag, or even on a plate. Enjoy them in many ways. Merry Christmas! I hope you have a wonderful time. Bye bye!